Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop today. I've already done one of these videos, but I've added so much more stuff since then. So this is every single mod done to my 2022 DRZ400 Supermoto. So first things first is this TST Industries Fender Eliminator Kit with the integrated signals. Also from TST Industries, the LED turn signals. And that does have the TST Industries flasher relay in there for that LED so it doesn't flash fast. Okay, so as far as the bars go, there's a lot going on here. We do have the JFG Racing gold handlebar mount, Zeta rubber killers. Do have Zeta rubber killers there. Got the MZS tuning levers in gold. I really like those. The Zeta actual Barkbuster style handguards. Smacked a deer at about 50 miles an hour with this one right here. It was like punching him in the face with brass knuckles. So got to get a set of those. Do have the Zeta handguards here, and the Zeta mounts that actually mount to the triple clamp there. I did get those instead of the ones that, I did have the ones that mount to the bars, but that cleans it up quite a bit. This particular bike does have the Power Mad mirrors, and I like those mirrors because I like the adjustability of them. Like I can, if I want, I can move them out and adjust them. They're convex here, so you can flip them however you want, or you can kind of bring them almost all the way in and they don't really interfere with your levers. So I do like that about them. I typically ride with them about here. I know I don't really see many other people do that, but shoots it right underneath my armpit and I can see pretty well. So it's kind of about where I roll with mine at on both. Also up front, we have the JFG Racing gold dipstick. I really like that. It's pretty neat. Got a nice O-ring gasket on it. We did relocate the ignition on this bike, so it is no longer up front on the handlebars, just right there. Definitely like that. This bike does have the Acerbis Supermoto front fender, a little bit more aggressive than stock, and I really like the way that looks. This bike does have the Duval radiator guards. Not only do they protect that radiator, but I think they look pretty badass from the front. Did also remove the mirrors and install these plugs. We did do that on both sides. So there's a plug in both the old mirror holes. And we do have the Pro Taper grips, pillow top grips, nice and comfy. Definitely love those, they're a little sticky. We did take the tool bag off the back of this bike, and the only thing I put in its place was just a couple of push pins. Instead of, they sell a bolt kit, but the bolt kits kind of stick up. This is pretty smooth and flat. Kind of like that streamline look a little bit better myself. We do have the JFG rotor guard there. We do have the JFG caliper guard and rotor guard as well. And you know, we got those Core Moto stainless brake lines in purple for the front and rear. And that really, I could definitely tell the difference in the braking on the bike once we got all that done. But I really like the way that came out. We do have case savers on both sides of the bike. I did go with the black. And we also have a gold folding shift lever from JFG. Do have the aftermarket brake lever, also from JFG. And here's the other case saver. Do have the clear oil filter cover. I have a video on every single one of these parts. Also have the larger, the wider aftermarket foot pegs. That is a must-have. You got to get some wider pegs. It makes the world of difference. It's like putting running boards on your bike instead of those dinky little factory ones. We do have our shock reservoir cover made from my favorite energy drink on the planet. We do have the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. And holy crap, what a difference this set of tires makes. These over the factory Dunlops, it is insane, the grip difference. And that is front and rear. 140 on the rear, and we have a 120 tucked away up front here. But yeah, definitely like the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. I think they make a 4 now, but the 3s are sticky as hell, man. We have the DID gold chain. I believe this was 110 links, and it looks sweet with the rest of the gold accents on the bike. One of my favorite things still is this Seat Concepts seat with the carbon fiber weave on the sides And the gripper top from Seat Concepts. Beautiful seat. The factory one was red because this is a 2022, but I absolutely love that seat. And it is a little bit wider than your OEM unit. We do have our Delcovic stainless exhaust, and that's the whole header pipe all the way back to an 8-inch slash cut shorty. And I do have the baffle in it, and it is still loud as hell. We do have the K&N air filter, as well as the 3x3 airbox mod. Not sure if that will show up in there. And then our carburetor is a factory carburetor, and we are rocking the JD Jet Kit. A nice detailed video on that as well. And the graphics. The graphics are from Factory FX. I had to get some Pirellis because my stickers were Pirelli. Just kidding. But I did get this from Boston Decal Works, I believe. And if you've never put on graphics, it's kind of a pain, but I think the outcome was well worth it. Like I said, this is a 2022, so it was the black and red color scheme originally. This definitely transforms the bike into looking much different. And of course, we have the JNS Morimoto LED headlight, and that thing is a game changer. Like I said, I have a video on every single one of these mods individually. If you want to know how to put them on in detail, should leave no questions left after you get done watching the videos. We also did loop and remove that kickstand switch. As you can see, it's gone. So I have a video on that as well. But now if your kickstand comes down, your bike won't shut off. And one other thing you can't see, it does have an NGK CR8 EIX Iridium spark plug. All right, everybody, I think that was it. All the mods done to that 2022 Suzuki DRZ400 Supermoto. Is it the most modded 2022 out there? I have no idea. Not from a power performance standpoint. Still needs a really nice carburetor and some other little goodies, a G2 quick turn throttle tube. But yeah, all in all, I think it's come together really nicely. You guys will have to let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate everybody for watching. Until next time, thank you. Take care. This behind the scenes, we got a fog machine with lights on it. I hope this fucking looks cool. This fucking looks cool. This fucking looks cool. I bought a fog machine online just for this. What is it? What is it? Watch them. When you watch them. Oh. Where are they? When you watch them. When you watch them. Where are they? Where are they at? When you watch them. Let's watch them. I've been thinking how I want to do this. Hopefully this shit comes out looking okay. Come on, baby. All right, let's make it work. Random. Sweet helmet to match the bike. Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop today. Oh, I hope this turned out to be so cool.